Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I make my Agege bread like I promised in my last video. I hope you enjoy this video and remember to subscribe if you haven't. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. This is original Agege bread made by me in my own house. This is it. And it's very, very soft. And I used this pan, so that's why I usually went up. I'm not going to change anything. I'm just going to show you guys how I made this one exactly the way it is. So I'm using vitamin C, which is also known as E300 in the UK because it's a strong bread improver and it causes an increase of your bread. Also, when you're baking, it's basically an oxidizing agent which allows it to retain gas and causes the bubbles to be more even. Do you get? And also, it extends the shelf life of your bread, so it's really, really important, but you don't have to use it. You can skip this if you want. Also, if you have some vitamin C tablets, you can just grind them, maybe like 2. You don't need a lot in this recipe. And I bought mine from Amazon. It was the powdered form already. So after adding your butter, you might need like maybe 50 grams of the flour to add in little by little and just keep mixing until you form like it's not really like hard, but like firm. Basically, it's still kind of like soft, but it's also firm at the same time, so it's not just like breaking all over the place. So just add the flour in little by little until you get that consistency. Is that a word? Yeah. So after 25 minutes, you might want to grease a bowl. I'm using a cake mixing bowl and I'm using butter for it. You can also use oil if you want, and just keep this in a warm place and allow it to rise or double in size for like an hour. And yeah, I don't know if you can notice, but this one is a bit different. So this is the second time I was making it. I'm not gonna lie, I lost the rest of the video of the previous one. So I just had to do it again to show you guys, but it's all the same process, but this one is a bit smaller. I used smaller measurements basically, so the measurements for this also would be in the description box below, so just check that out. And this one also doubled in size, and then I'm just gonna roll it out just to take out all the bubbles. Like whilst you're rolling it out, you literally be seeing the bubbles in there. So just roll that out, and then I'm just going to fold them. Just roll it back up and fold it tightly. Make sure you seal the ends properly and put that at the bottom of the pan. That's a mistake that I made one time as well. Like I didn't do that properly. I didn't seal it properly, and the bread will just literally break open whilst it's baking, and it's not really, it's still good, but it's not nice. And then just keep that in a one place and allow it to double in size. See that? Look at that. And then just bake. So this is what the bread looks like when it came out the oven. And I like going over the bread with some melted butter because the bread comes out dry. And I just wanted to show you guys how soft the bread was when it came out. Like, look at that. Yummy. Look at the inside of the bread. Look at it. Do you see? That is why it is called Agege bread. It is soft. It is soft. Look at that. Do you see the inside? No bubbles. No nothing. It is soft. Anyways, thank you for watching, everyone. Please like, comment and subscribe. Also share with your family and friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.